issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, the northeastern city of Petersburg, southeastern Goochland County, southern Hanover County, Powhatan County, the city of Richmond, Chesterfield County, west central Charles City County, northwestern Prince George County, Henrico County, west central King William County, northeastern Amelia County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Macon, or near Powhatan, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Moseley and Sabo around 6:05 p.m. Manatee around 6:10 p.m. University of Richmond and Bon Air around 6:20 p.m. Richmond, Virginia Commonwealth University, downtown Richmond, Virginia Union University, Bentley, Bellwood and Lakeside around 6:25 p.m. Highland Springs and East Highland Park around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Montrose, Sandston, Glendale, Pocahontas State Park, Skinquarter, Beach, Chamberlain, Fine Creek Mills, Michaud and Lee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio,